Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and as you saw by the title of this video, I got a massive bulk buy unboxing that I'm doing. You probably saw it in the thumbnail too, around 16 pairs, so just gonna kind of go through these, and these were all sold to members in the Hypelabs Discord. Don't forget, we cooked on my money or force today. All I'm gonna say is hundreds, at least. But aside from that basic fact and point right there, this is just kind of some bulk buys I've been doing. I think I spent around $1,700 on these 16 pairs. Actually, I don't think that's accurate. I think it's a bit more towards 2K, but that's not really the point of this video. Just kind of discussing how I did it, and well, maybe not as much how, but just kind of going through the pairs, showing them, showing you all what I've been buying, and that's all this video will be about. I was lucky to hit my personal size today on the 4s. Just gonna be keeping those to wear. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. That'd be really appreciated. And again, do not forget, check out Hypelabs if you're interested in having people run bots for you like we did today for the 4s. A lot of people had success there, to say the least. And also, again, the daily deals, since these are all pairs I've sold to members for under market, don't forget. So I gotta mail out all these since they've already been sold. I'm gonna do that today and tomorrow. So that's all that needs to be said. Go join our waitlist below. Costs nothing to join the waitlist, and you'll only be charged if we let you in, so keep that in mind. But that's all I need to say. Hope y'all will enjoy. Let's get started. So kind of the first pairs, I guess I'll run through right here. So of course, I don't really need to discuss these, and I actually took these out of box to just show in this video, but this is a pair of Midnight Navy, size 6 wide. So there y'all can go, 6 wide Midnight Navy. Shout out Drew for selling me this. I appreciate you, man. And yeah, thank you. So kind of just the first one I'll show you guys right there. I think I paid $190 for these, but I'm not gonna remember the price I paid in every sneaker. Just keep that in mind. And next up right here, let me show you guys these. So we have some certified fresh Dunk Lows, size 9. Funny enough, these actually got delivered at like $8.50 last night with a bunch of other pairs that I have right here. I didn't know that UPS even delivered that late, because I checked at like 6 and 7 and it wasn't there. So I was like, shoot, this package is not going to deliver. But then $8.50 it delivers. So shout out UPS, the guy that is going around here. You work hard. I appreciate you. Shout out all my postal workers that are honest. But aside from those right there, the next one I can show you guys. Why don't we get into these? We also got some Cider Dunk Lows. I think I paid $135 on these. I could be wrong on that. I think it was around $135, $140. But aside from that, still kind of it's a decent Dunk Low. I've seen this one a couple times. It's not really that crazy. It doesn't resell like that, so it's not one of those pairs. But of course, I didn't sell this one for a high price. Kept it very under market, as we would in the group. So that's just another thing we do, and that's one way you can source pairs. Is again, you can always hit me up in the group and kind of ask how I do it. I'll always show you a couple methods to it. And really, the key is communication and connections with people, meeting people in your area that you can constantly buy off, kind of sell deals to each other, that type of thing. And two more I can show y'all right now. I already know what these are. These are the oh, never mind. These are not the Diamond Shorts Low. I love this pair. I wish they made these in men's sizes, but this is the Where the Wild Things Are Jordan 4. If y'all can see these right here, super clean grade school Jordan 4. Again, you can see all the different lace locks that they have here, and also here and here in the sneaker are different colors, which I thought was one very unique feature. And not to mention the material in the sneaker overall. It just kind of stands out. Like you have kind of this, I guess a fur. It's obviously not a suede, but you can see how that goes up and around the heel. So it's kind of just a funky sneaker overall. And I could see these, again, just being, it's harder to find these. So that's at least why I feel like there's a lot more potential in them in the future. But sold these to somebody for, I think, like $190, so huge deal. That's what we do. And also right here, I know what these are already. I've been buying a ton of these to also sell for like $150 in the group. So Why So Sad SBs, again, if you've been a fan of SBs recently, I've been buying these along with another one I will show you guys right here. But I might have to get a personal of these. I've seen these like 5 or 6 times now in hand with different pairs, and I don't know, man. The icy, it's really growing on me. I'm liking the sneaker. Overall design has unique features. You can go watch my overall in-hand review. I did this sneaker, just kind of like a one-on-one of it, but it's nice. And here are just 2 more I can run through right here. So one more we got right here. These are the Golden Gals Dunk Low, also known as the Metallic Silver Dunk Low. All right, I think I sold these for like $140, so an easy local flip. StockX is like $170, $190. So again, easy something that could just cover your membership if you were interested in the group. But again, another thing about when it comes to sourcing pairs is that the reason I do bulk buys over, kind of singular buys for sourcing pairs, and this has more or less been recently, I've done, a lot of sourcing pairs where it comes to, you source a pair here, here, and here, but you actually lose more money doing that. When you just stick with one person, you get a certain amount of pairs, and then just make sure the person is legit. This is the #1 thing I say. If someone is asking you to do Apple Pay or Resell or CASHOUT for a bulk deal, you need to look at that twice, because those are all unprotected payment methods. PayPal invoice and goods and services are the way to go for bulk buys. Or, for example, with the way I did it with the guy that I do business with, I just, you know, he sends me the sneakers and then I sell them once I get them, you know, something like that, where it's just safe to both parties. But you guys have to trust each other, you know, so that's another part of it. But just don't get scammed. That's one main thing I see in bulk buying is a lot of people getting scammed, and you just got to be really careful. Don't fall for, you know, easy stuff. That's all I'm saying. You can always send it my way, and I'll let you know if it's legit or not. Trust me, my DMs are open for that type of stuff. So another one right here. This is also, and if you're part of the Discord, you could always DM me it too. We have a section for that. You can just put it in legit check, anything like that. But this is the coconut milk dunk low. Not bad overall. It's the men's pair, not the women's version, if you were curious, but still nice. I mean, it's actually, as I look at it more, it's a pretty nice summer colorway. Like I would maybe go with these if I had like a summer fit, you know, something like a cream shorts, cream shirt, something like that, you know, that type colorway. This would go with it, but it depends. It's simple, but I don't know. It's not. That's why it's nice. You don't have to think about it that much. Two more I got right here though that I can run through. I got something in my hand. So right here, these are the Diamond Shorts Jordan 1 Low, as you guys can see. Pretty nice sneaker overall, rocking with this one. And you guys can see the guy that I do business with is a sneaker store, because you can see some of these prices. But obviously, that didn't focus. I don't know if I should let it focus. But it all depends on who you do business with, because he could sell these for a lot more in store. I got a good deal. Again, buying more often. That's how it is. So I appreciate him. Thank you, as always. I will probably buy more often like 2 days from now, if not tomorrow. And what else do I have here? I think I know what these are. Oh, okay, these are nice if I'm right. All right, so we have some Kentucky SB Dunk clothes. I got a couple pairs of these that I've also recently sold, or SP, not SB. I think I said SB. I meant SP, so I'm sorry about that. But these recently dropped via EA. Not a lot of people got it, so I think prices did shoot back up if I'm correct. I could be wrong on that, so if I'm wrong on that, let me know. But I got to ship these out as well. I know a lot of people are happy that I did drop these, so I'm going to be making sure that we get more of these from members in the group. So again, if you want some Kentucky Dunk clothes, coming soon. And if you, again, if you're curious about sourcing particular pairs like this, I use a lot of different methods. It doesn't just come down to using one app, because Instagram isn't like the only place you can do this. Like, let's say you got people on your Snapchat, or you got people you know, Facebook Marketplace, you got eBay. It just, you know, always make sure you're legit checking your stuff though. These some Yeezy Bone Slides, size 12. Don't feel like I just don't want to take them out the box. And then another one I got right here. I actually bought a few pairs of these, and I think these are the same ones. So yeah, we got the Neck Face SB Dunk Low. Great pair. Love how this one looks. Look at all the patches on this one. Just a very unique design. Same with the inside right there. Overall, I could see these being a lot more in the future. I know right now they're not. Not a lot of people are really into this sneaker. Like, they did too much with this one. You know, some people aren't rocking with, you know, the whole neck face theme. Fully understand that. And this is the exact same pair, too, right here in a size 8. Y'all can check that box. Hopefully that's focusing for me. I don't know why my hand's shaking so much, but yeah, y'all can see that, size 8. So exact same pair, 2 neck face SBs. And then I've been waiting to actually show you guys these, so I'm happy to show y'all them. The LeBron Fruity Pebbles Dunk Low. Don't forget about this. LeBron's favorite cereals, Fruity Pebbles. So there you go. They made these. Overall, clean design. You can see the King James logo on the back right there. They've done a lot of LeBrons, so a little collaboration going on. It's a nice pair, but, you know, I see why prices tanked a little bit. Just not everybody's style. And then another USC Dunk Low. Sold this to somebody for under market, I think like 120. Maybe I sold some pairs for retail, like 110, 115. So again, that's always in the daily deal section. You're looking to get deals, that's one part. And you can always hit me up asking, you know, if I got this or this for sale or something like that. And the final two, again, another Neck Face SB right here. Big fan of these. Already sold them, so again, have to mail these ones out. And then another Kentucky Dunk Low, size 12 DS, of course. All the pairs, again, all these are dead stock. None of these have been worn, so keep that in mind. That's what we do, only dead stock pairs in daily deals. So another one I sold for like 200, 190. Actually, I think I sold these for 190. So size 12 for 190, great deal. I think it's like 230 right now. Local market's huge on these, like 300. But yeah, that's pretty much it. A little unboxing for you guys. Some pairs I've sourced recently through bulk buying. And again, if you have any questions, you're curious, you want to know more about bulk buying, or you just want to get some pairs at under market prices, daily deals, I do that. I'm gonna drop some today in the group. So if you're interested, just go to our wait list right there. Feel free to join again and ask any questions you have about the group, or about, again, just stock I have. You know, learning about sourcing pairs. If you're confused about any parts of the video that I mentioned, let me know. Or if you're curious about like what platforms to use for bulk buying, I'm there to help. So that's everything I need to say right there. Just a few things I thought I'd unbox, and go get on that wait list, start getting some daily deals. We cooked hundreds, I'm serious when I say this, hundreds of pairs of the Amamani Air Force today. I easily hit my personal pair, and well, to say the least, our botters did some work. So I appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video. Start cooking with us at Hypelabs. See y'all then. Peace.